good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me from. Yeah, the trading is trading. This is the trade I was holding for yesterday. Yeah, $9,600. So I want to take my profit. I want to take all this profit now. I want to take profit. See, the trading is trading. It's looking all beautiful. All beautiful. Before this trade could turn like this, yesterday it was all minus. But once you've done your analysis, you've done your setup, you're sure of it, you hold the thread. It will. This is MP5. So I think when I click bull operations, close all position, it will close everything at once. I don't need to close one by one. Wow, this is looking all beautiful. This is 9,600. Thank you, thank you. This is looking beautiful. See, I've closed all the trades. Bye.